Golodo semphakathi ungabusabaleka ayolo ebonge njalo lo wesimame umkhwanazi ulebonge njalo uyabona ukuthi kube kuya ngaye ngabe kukhula kwenzayo ukuveza indlela abonga ngayo uyambona asayibongeli yena usesibongela sonke njenge South Africa lasho iculo lamakholwa lathi kuyobonga namaqhawe hayi mkhwanazi ndoda amadoda ayobile iqhawe siyabonga ndoda siyabonga ngomsebenzi omkhulu osenzele wona ukube bawungekho hey ngabe namanje asazilutho siyabonga nathi kanye naye lo wesimame ayabonga mana uyabona hayi inkulu ngempela lento afuna ukuyibonga
of your strength over these years, General, because I knew with that strength that I have from you, you know, when drawing out, I think sometimes you must have feel tired at night. It was me drawing that strength out, General, because I needed to survive, General. Siyabonga kakhulu, General Mkhwanazi. I appreciate, and General Alexander as well. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
bese kushoda khona nje ukuthi asho ukuthi hawo ngaphandle kwakho angilutho mkhwanazi no ngani zakwethu ake sidibane kwelinye iziko lezindaba lapho senginilethela khona ezinye indaba ezobe ihamba phambili ake ngiphume kanje.